Hello everyone, my name is Owens and welcome to the show. Today we're going to be targeting 6 different parts of the body you could be working out with the Bowflex xceed, including the back, biceps, triceps, shoulders, chest, and abdominal. Work out with me and you just might be confident enough to take off your shirt when you go to the beach with your friends. So get off the couch, put down those Cheetos, and let's get to work. Also, I wanted to show you guys how to connect each wire for each specific workout. I'm only going to show you guys how to connect one side because what you do to one side, you're going to have to do to the other. The first workout we're going to be doing today is called the lat pull down, which targets your back. Right before the grip, right there, that's where it shows the best results. And we're just gonna pull down to the top of our chest. We have to make sure we have control reps. Make sure you flex your back as well so you feel the workout. Do about 10 of these. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna grab the handles like this, and you're gonna pull straight back. Now for this workout on the Bowflex, we won't be needing the seat so we can have more room when performing this workout. So go ahead and remove the seat, stand up. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and grab the bar, make sure your elbows are against your waist, and you're gonna go ahead and pull down, flexing your tricep as this works that part of the body. Reach at an angle, not up top, but at an angle. Now, I'm gonna start with the lower chest first, and just go straight. And now with the upper chest, you want to go slightly higher, just a little higher. So what you're going to do is you're going to have a hammer fist grip. That's where you grip it like this with both. This is gonna aim for the whole abdominal area of your stomach. You're gonna lean forward and flex with your stomach the whole way. Make sure you have good posture throughout the whole set. Now the second part of this workout is where you let go of one and you have your elbow touch the top of your thigh. That's gonna allow the V-line part of your stomach to really pop. They call it V-line because that's the shape of it on your stomach. Make sure you go all the way back, all the way down. Thank you guys for watching the channel. I hope you guys learned a lot, and I hope you guys stay healthy throughout this summer. Be safe, you guys, and have a great day.